Hello there. Like a lot of you folks, one of my New Year resolutions this year was to be more active and hit the gym more frequently. And we all know how difficult it is to get a workout routine that is completely tailored, to your body, to your preferences. And I decided to use what, everyone else has been using, AI, to design a routine for myself. And I would like to show you how the Prompt Studio from Toolhouse has really helped me be more active, find the perfect routine for myself, for my body. And let's begin. One quick note, I am a rather slow typer, so some portions of this video might, be sped up post-production, but that in no way means that the Prompt Studio is slow. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to say, uh, I would like to get a workout routine for myself. Here are my details. So now I start providing a good description, a good enough description about myself, my preferences, and everything. So let's do it. I am 5'5", unfortunately. Oh my God, 5'5", unfortunately, and I weigh 135 pounds. I'd like to gain more muscle mass and maybe reduce body fat at the same time. Going for body composition because that's something I've been reading into for a relatively long time. And now I would like a routine for 6 active days a week because that's how frequently I would want to go to the gym in a week. And then lastly, I would want to say that I would like to train each major muscle group twice a week. Now, since I'm a huge fan of science-based workouts, let's make this a bit more interesting, right? So, I'd like you to use the tools at your disposal to recommend a routine that is science and that is scientific rather, scientifically proven and research backed. Look for the most recently published research papers and vote them in your response because I'd like to really know what's fueling my routine. Then send me an email that is well formatted because I wouldn't want to, come to a specific URL during every workout. It would be much easier for me to rather refer to an email than come to Prompt Studio, even though I would love to. But send me an email that is well formatted with HTML and CSS as if it were coming from an established publication, if that makes sense. And what else would I need? Maybe generate a nice header image and send it to me in the same email with an IMG tag just because I'd like it that way. So here's what I have. I would like to get a workout routine for myself. Here are my details, da da da. And then I'd like you to use the tools at your disposal to recommend a routine that is scientifically proven and research backed. Look for the most recently published research papers and quote them in your response. Send me an email that is well formatted with HTML and CSS as if it were coming from an established publication. Generate a nice header image and send it to me in the same email with an IMG tag. Now notice that, I never really gave my name, my email address or anything. So, let's just add a tiny little pointer. Say, look for my details in your memory because I'm a frequent Toolhouse Prompt Studio user. It should be there in my memory, but just in case, I decided to wipe everything away. If you don't have it, rather if you don't have my name and email, ask me for the same. And let's see what happens. So we're thinking. First, we are checking if my memory is there, and I see that I have your contact information. Now, let me search for the scientific research about muscle gain and fat loss simultaneously. So that's a good thing. I don't have to give, any extra information. And yeah, let's wait for the Prompt Studio to send me an email, and can't wait to really show you my workout routine. So now we are back to using the send email tool and we've gotten a confirmation. Now, let's actually check out what the email looks like. So here I've got my personalized workout routine for body recomposition. My stats and goals are rightly addressed, and taking a quick look at the split, I mean, it really looks like it's research backed. I've additionally got some more guidelines, and the best part about using the Toolhouse Prompt Studio is that I can simply just share the chat with you folks, and all you have to do is replace my stats with your own, my goals with your own after cloning the chat, and yeah, you can just use it as is. On top of that, if you bundle it up with scheduled runs, which you can read about more on our official documentation, you can also run this at a cadence. So, say for example, if you want to refresh your exercises on a monthly basis or on a weekly basis, it's really possible, really doable with scheduled runs. So, with Toolhouse, you really get to connect AI to the real world. I can't wait for you to give this a go, and I'm definitely going to be back with more such use cases. So, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and do give this routine a go. Thank you.